Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. So I want to take a moment and talk about the Mokwheel Scoria right here behind me. If you watched any of my videos before, you know how much I like the Mokwheel Scoria. It's my favorite bike. It's a great utility bike, dual purpose. And I've only had it for about 3 months now because Mokwheel released this bike last fall and I scooped it up right away. And I tell you what, I've really been enjoying it. But I will also tell you I'm a little disappointed because it's only about 3 months old and they've already updated the bike. They've got some new features that they're releasing on the bikes that are being shipped now. And I'm going to show you those. We're going to talk about it some more in an upcoming video where I'm talking about cargo e-bikes. But just to get us to that point, I want to go ahead and show you some of the changes that they've made. And we'll talk about it in more detail in the next video. Okay, so this is the bike as it is now. This is, how it was shipped just a couple of months ago. And some of the changes that were made. And I'm going to put a picture up on the screen to show you just what they've done differently. But take note here of the handlebar grips, okay? Because that's something that has changed. The button pad has also changed. And as you can see here, it's kind of hard to see what the buttons are for. But that's something they've already upgraded. And moving across the bike here, back over here, they also have a thumb throttle now on the left side instead of the half twist. Now I do like the half twist throttles, I do like that, but the thumb throttles, they're nice too. But another big change that they made to the cockpit is the shifter. They got rid of the Shimano SIS shifter here and you now have finger shifters, which is just an amazing upgrade, I think, for this bike. And let's go ahead and take a look at the picture and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, you see what I'm talking about here on the left side? We do have the branded handle grips there, which looks real nice. We got the thumb throttle on the left side, which is a switch from the twist. And then that button pad, which makes it so much easier now to get familiar with your buttons. That's important for new riders to be able to quickly glance down and see what button they need to be pushing. So that's a really nice upgrade there. And then moving over to the right side, finger shifter. You can't complain with finger shifters because those are just so much nicer. I enjoy them, and doggone it, I wish my Scoria had that. But that's just how it goes sometimes. Things get upgraded, things get changed, but it's a little disappointing that these things came out just less than 6 months ago and they've already updated it. I looked around and I'm not familiar with any other updates on the bike, so I think all the upgrades have taken place in the cockpit area. But I did reach out to Mokwheel to ask, and I haven't heard back yet. Okay, so there you go. All those nice little upgrades to the Scoria. It was already a really great bike. Like I said, it's my favorite bike. I ride it all the time. Just wished those upgrades had came out originally on the bike. It would have just been so much nicer. Am I going to drop a dime to go, a couple of dimes to go and buy the new bike with all those upgrades? No, I won't be doing that. But, congratulations to all those viewers who are going to go out there and scoop up a Scoria. Okay, this is a very popular bike. It's very hot. And hey, you'll get to enjoy all those upgrades. Hey, that's it for this video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and look for that new video I'm going to be releasing real soon. Talk more about the Scoria and some other popular e-bikes. And until the next video, ride safe.